Hi, in this video, I'm swatching the Artistro 48 watercolor paint set. It's hard to believe I'm trying watercolor again because I was never good at it. For that reason, I decided to start with a budget set. So, if I'm not improving, at least I'm not wasting my money. If you are unaware, professional quality watercolor is very expensive, way more than I would expect. But I guess they last for a long time. I have decided I really want to learn more about watercolor. So if you know of any good videos that you want to recommend, please let me know in the comment area. Back to looking at this Artistro set. It comes in many colors, including some fluorescent and metallic colors. This is great because I heard cheaper watercolor tends to get muddy if you start to do a lot of color mixing. I used to overwork my watercolor paintings, which ended up looking like gouache or acrylic paintings. With this set, I get better results when I don't use too much paint. The colors look more cohesive and airy. The quality of this basic budget set is much better than expected. Some colors are unique and gorgeous. All those pinks, reds, and purples are perfect if you like to paint flowers. The fluorescent colors are as bright as you can imagine. I doubt I will use it much. The metallic colors are mild and not overwhelming. I think they could be great when making greeting cards. Here is a look at the colors after they are dry. I love those warm tones. They are beautiful and dreamy. I will have to try mixing and blending the colors to see how they perform. Please subscribe if you want to see more watercolor videos. Based on my shopping pattern, you can expect more watercolor related videos. Do you have a watercolor brand you'd like to see me swatch? Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.